So this is a handy tool if you have your own blog, you want to write about something, but you don't have any good ideas. So this gives you good ideas through this tool. So you might type affiliate marketing, get started. So you sign up with your email and then type or select what your business is. You can choose that. You're the owner, which I am. And then your company name next. Then choose what's relevant. So I'm going to choose just me. And then you can put in your website. And then it gets all the details after you've put in your information. What's your blog post about? So you could even type put on, or you could put in digital marketing or whatever you want, and then generate ideas. And then it's gave a couple of different options. Just choose that one perhaps and generate your blog post. So now composing blog content. Take this wee while, and there you go. Don't know what that is. You can get guidance or set it up yourself. Just go remind me later. And here it is. There's the headline: the ultimate guide to social media marketing digital age, which you've selected. And there it is. It's giving you all the stuff for you, and then you can share it to Facebook, X. I think that's Instagram. I think that's Pinterest, or to your email list, and you could even copy that whole blog post and head over to ChatGPT and go on that, and you could ask it to rewrite it from there. So that's how you would use it. Even that blog in itself is reasonably okay. You could add to it or change it, or even get ChatGPT to put a command, extend it, make it more, and you could just copy that whole thing in. So check out the link. It's quite a good tool. It's free. And then check out our free community, our free bootcamp, and come and join us as well, and we'll hope to see you there.